In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document to two-sided on the HP SmartTank 750 or 7300 printer series. So let's load the document onto the document feeder. We'll copy page 1 and page 3 first, and we'll copy in color. So we'll press on the color copy button. So page 1 and page 3 is copied. The output is in this orientation. You need to rotate 180 degrees and put it back into the input tray. For the document at the document feeder, you need to do the same. It is in this orientation. You need to rotate and put it back into the input tray. We'll copy in color. So page 2 and page 4 is copied. You need to rearrange the pages. So this is page 1 and page 2, and this is page 3 and page 4. So this is how you copy a two-sided document to two-sided on the HP SmartTank 750 or 7300 printer series.